See, I dropped my trap in the water here a couple days. So let's see what we got. Let's see if we caught some Krabby Patties. Tide coming in. Someone cut I had it tied off, and somebody came and cut my cord to my trap, so this water's not that deep. So I was just able just to toss it right here. I should be able to hook it. I should be able to hook it. Hopefully I can catch it there. I think I got it. Yeah, I got it. Come on, man. Not many in there. I figured there'd be more than that in there, but there's not. Look like one of them shared it in there too. Or maybe somebody messed with it. Maybe somebody saw it and decided they're gonna take it and stick it back in there. I got a few, so let's keep the ones that I got here. Definitely thought I had more than this. These are pretty decent sized ones though. Come on, buddy, it's okay. Well, he's a feisty little joker. Set him right there for now. His claw came off. He's a big one too. Come here, buddy. Feisty. Oh, he held on. Let go. Crab be holding on for dear life. There you go. And as you can see, all I got is a rag in there. So what I did was I soaked a rag in some squid fuel, and that's what did it. I was able to catch those 3. Ain't have to waste no money on bait. Just a rag soaked in squid fuel, and as you can see, I was still able to catch a few. So try that. Maybe it'll help you guys, so that way you can save a lot of money instead of buying chicken and all this other stuff. Yep, one of them shared it in there. There you go, see? Just had this rag right here. Oh, it still smells. Still smell like squid. But it's all right. So there you have it. Caught a few. So I just gotta probably soak some more, another rag into some squid fuel, and I'll try it again later.